camp outside. How cool is that?
I woke up this morning, the sunshine was shining. I put on my happy face. I'm living amazing, I'm breathing, I'm grateful to put on my happy face. Woke up and realized this world's not so bad after all. Looked at it through a child's eyes and I saw this beautiful things that you never think about, like the ocean, moon, like stars and clouds. It's amazing how we don't appreciate our blessings. There's plenty of people who don't like me. There's 10 times more who love me and I love myself. Sometimes it gets tough, but I can't give up, just take a deep breath, hold my eyes, feel the love in me.